Okay, here we are. Church is quite close to that cut bank.
Hi, it's February 2011, and we're here at the Cherette orphanage in Haiti, and we're standing at the edge of a river which floods dramatically in May and November of each year. Upriver, you could see the mountains that during the heavy rainy season produces amazing volumes of water. Right now you can't even see the river. The original river and little stream right now is sort of on the other side of these rocks to the far side of the bank. In May and November, when the heavy rains come, the heavy water starts reversing to this side, start coming along here. At one time, where I'm standing was probably actually ground, but over the past several years, the erosion from the fast-moving current of the water has taken away all the ground and left this bed of rocks. The problem that we're trying to deal with is upriver, about 100 yards is the Cherette orphanage, and as you can see from the bank, there's just soil, so the concern is that the next heavy rainfall, probably in May, is going to wash away anywhere from 5 to 10 to 20 yards. At this point, the orphanage has a garden over there by that tall tree, and the garden right now, as it sits, is only 3 feet away from the edge of the bank. The bank at times on the right is anywhere from 6 to almost 8 to 9 feet from the bottom of the river bank. And looking for some means to protect. As we walk farther down, we'll show some shots of how the cut into the bank.